Blue Protocol was released on June 14th, but only in Japan. The rest of the world will have to wait until 2024. Or that would be the case if not for VPNs. So let me teach you how to play Blue Protocol no matter your location. Okay, so first, if you don't live in Japan, we're going to need to fake your location somehow. And the best and easiest way to do so is by using a good VPN tool. There are quite a lot of good VPN options like ExpressVPN and Surfshark, but NordVPN is my go-to choice, as I've been using it for quite some time now, and it has the most stable Japanese servers in my experience. And if you don't have a VPN, I've collected a few discount links for VPNs with robust kill switches, including NordVPN, in the description down below. So why is a robust kill switch so important? Well, Blue Protocol Global Edition won't be out for a while, and logging in outside of Japan gets you banned. A kill switch ensures that if your VPN connection is disturbed, your internet connection will be automatically cut. It truly minimizes the risk of getting banned, and I cannot stress the importance of it enough. So let's actually begin the registration process. First, I open the NordVPN app on my device and select Japan. Once that's done, I go to dnsleaktest.com, a tool recommended by NordVPN themselves, to check what my IP address is. Great, the connection is successful. Now let's turn on kill switch as well, just in case there's any network disruptions. Moving on, go to blueprotocol.com with a browser that has a native translation option. For this example, I'm going to be using Google Chrome since it's the fastest way and it's got quite a good translation feature. Here we need to create a new Japanese account. If you already have an account registered in any other country, this won't work. You need a Japanese account specifically. Let's click here and sign up. There's nothing too complicated, but make sure you select Asia as your region and Japan as your country. You'll need to authenticate your account, go to your email that you provided and paste the code from it. Next, agree to everything you're prompted. Once that's done, you should be back to the main page. Click here to pre-register for the Blue Protocol beta. Scroll down a bit and press this button. Then agree on both of these text boxes and click Login. Let's move on. How to play Blue Protocol Japan version on your PC. So first, download the Bandai Namco launcher. Now, before installing, an important warning. Never ever access this launcher without a Japanese VPN connection. Doing so could get your account banned instantly, and naturally we don't want that. Alright, when the launcher is installed, open it and log in with your Japanese account. Here you can see two games. Select Blue Protocol Download and click to install it. Then just continue to install the game. Now this bit is very important. Before starting Blue Protocol, click this gear icon in the launcher and then make sure that these two options on the very top are disabled. What we disabled here were auto launch and auto login features. Since logging in without a VPN will get you banned, we want to do everything at our own pace. Congratulations, the download and update process is complete and you can enjoy Blue Protocol now. Oh, I've seen users getting an error code 999. Don't panic, you're not banned. This message just means that the servers are full and you can't log in right now. A couple of things I want to add. NordVPN allows you to buy dedicated IP, which allows you to log in with the same IP address every time. Of course, you can try and test public IPs on shared servers, but the chances of getting banned or poor connections increases exponentially. Second, the biggest issue is that until the official worldwide Blue Protocol release date, the entire game is in Japanese. There is a third-party Blue Protocol English translation tool called Mort that you can use, but honestly, it takes quite a bit of time and processing power to get it running, so for now, I'll just leave the tutorial link in the description and maybe make a tutorial video on this later. Let me know in the comments if you need one. By now, you should know how to play Blue Protocol anywhere in the world. Grab a VPN discount link down below to avoid getting banned, and have a good time with Blue Protocol. Thanks for watching my How to Play Blue Protocol tutorial, and if you still have any questions, leave a comment. I will try and help you as much as I can. Don't forget to like this video, and for everyone else, I'll see you in the next one.